Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I have with me a smart lock from the brand Kaadas. This was sent to me by Kaadas to check out, so let's get it installed and see how well it works. I have here the Kaadas S100C Smart lock. This box is quite big. I have the black version here, so we have various smart unlocking features like fingerprint, pin and more. Also other features are double locking, fake pin, etc. I will show these more in detail in a bit, so let's unbox. On top we have this dust box. This is the mortise latch or lock. Oh, this is massive and heavy. Here's the latch bolt and these are the deadbolts to secure the door. The last one is used when you double lock the door. All the main electronics and motors are integrated within the lock body. This cable is used to allow communication between the front and back of the lock, also called escutcheons, to control the motors to allow locking and unlocking. Pretty solid. This is the metal strike plate, and here's the outdoor part of the lock. This consists of a number pad and a fingerprint sensor on the handle. The number pad is active only when it's powered on. We have the Kaadas branding in the front. It's made of 2.5D curved glass, which has a hardness of 7.5. It should protect it from standard wear and tear as it's open to the elements. Water resistance is achieved using the silicone border. The main face is water resistant too. Here is the connecting cable which connects to the back of the lock. The handle can be turned around if required as per your door's orientation. The instructions are provided in the manual. As I needed it to be as is, I'm not fiddling with it. Provided are two NFC keys. Emergency keys are also provided, which allows you to open the door in case the batteries have died. Here's the part that is installed inside the house. Here's where you would install the batteries. It needs 8 AA batteries. This switch here locks the handle so that it cannot be twisted to open the door from the inside. Below is the double locking mechanism. You need to push in the knob before turning. Double locking prevents any unexpected unlocking attempts from the outside. Next we have the required screws and other parts, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and here we have the user's manual. The manual also has a warranty card inside. This sheet is very important, which is the drilling template. It has the markings for the required holes on the door to install the lock. I am glad Kaadas included the display stand to demo the lock, else I would have damaged another door. So let's begin installing. First we insert the mortise lock into the cavity provided, add the spacers to the outer escutcheon, install the square shaft with the pressure spring, screw it through the mortise lock. The internal escutcheon has connectors where the cables in the mortise and external lock would connect. Connect the cables to the internal lock and screw it in. Once installed, add batteries and the lock is ready. The batteries, if fully charged, are supposed to last 455 days. So this is how the lock looks. In order to set it up, you need to enter the master code, which is **12345678#.
Master mode for user settings. Press 1 for system settings. Press 2 for record.
The setup is all via voice prompts. Just follow the prompts and you can set it up as required. This is how fingerprint authentication works. It's quite fast. NFC unlocking, easy. And this is how we can open the lock via pin. We can type in any number at random before and after the actual pin to prevent peeping. If you are having problems accessing your lock, use the emergency key by inserting it from below. There is also a micro USB port below which allows activating the lock if the batteries are completely dead. We also have an app which allows remote unlocking. You will need a Kaadas account to use the app and it's easy to register. Once done, enter the lock into Bluetooth mode and start the setup. The app finds the lock and it's ready. Once you're at the dashboard, you can see the current status of the lock, how many times it had been opened that day. You can also see the history of how it was unlocked and when, and if there were any unauthorized access. Tap on the Devices tab on the bottom and we can see the battery status, unlock the door, change settings, add fingerprints, PIN codes, add NFC cards, and even share the lock with others if they have a Kaadas account. In settings, you have the option for silent mode, so the lock will not provide voice prompts or any other notification sounds. Generally, this is how it sounds.
Verification successful.
And here's silent mode. So Kaadas is the brand that sent me the smart lock. They specialize in high-end smart locks. These smart locks cannot be purchased directly from them and they are more business to business. So either retailers or wholesalers can purchase from them to resell. The lock looks really high quality and is quite easy to set up. So any businesses looking for high-end smart locks can contact Kaadas via the information provided in the description. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.